Billy here, Fix for Fun. Okay, we got a 2013 f250 here, 6.7 power stroke, and it's got a wore out motor in it. So we've got a brand new motor, or a low mileage one, from the wrecking yard out of a 2019 year model. And I want to talk a little bit about backdating this motor to fit in a 2013. You got to swap the motor mounts. You need to take the whole wiring harness off the engine from your 2013 and put it on the 2019 engine. If you want to keep your wastegate and don't have to mess with any kind of tuning or anything, you need to swap your turbo over from your 2013, including your exhaust manifold, your downpipe, all that. But we're going to put this whole motor in here the way it is. And I can't remember. I think last time we had to cut the flange and index it to get the get this other downpipe to fit this 2019 year model downpipe. But it all bolts up and it goes in there fine. I've done this in the past. So you need to change your wiring harness, but you're not going to have a place to plug your wastegate solenoid in. So if your truck's already deleted, you may not have any codes, but you might need to get an update tune to a newer style turbo. This is a much better turbo, and we like how the truck runs a whole lot better with these. It's better performance, and it's just better all around. So the same injectors, the same pump. You're going to have to get all the injector codes off of these and program them into the computer. It comes on the stock crankcase filter box, which I saved. Now, another thing is this truck right here, being a 2013 year model, has an electrical connector on the wiring harness for the crankcase filter. So we changed that over. You can see the electrical connector right there. We changed this filter over to a 2013 year model, and it just bolts right up. So it has a place to plug in, and we don't have to mess with it. Another thing is this fuel line right here. I took the rubber and cut it off of the old one, and because the 2019 one is a little different, so you can just cut it and put some grease on the hose and slide it on. And then you also have to take off the intake manifold and change this input line that goes to the high pressure pump. But then once you do that, you can put it all back together. Not a big deal. You just got to pull this upper and lower intake off and swap the input line. So not a big deal. But once you do that, get your wiring harness on it and everything. And of course, we're going to change some of the brackets around and stuff on the front of the engine that, match it. But just make it look exactly like the other one before you put it in. And all right, there you guys go. Thank y'all for watching.